Hey everyone, welcome to the world of Rise, the joy of riding. I am Vishal, and in these 2.5 decades of riding, if there is something that I've learned about a tank bag, is that it not only adds convenience, but more than that. So what are we waiting for? Let's check out Tucano Urbano's TC20 Tank Bag. Tank bags must be compact and non-intrusive for carrying essentials on the go. And the Tucano Urbano TC20 Tank Bag is nothing less than what is expected. While the fixing systems come with the central safety strap that leaves the handlebar, the skid-proof bottom holds onto the tank for stability. The smartphone touchscreen compartment on the upper side is also detachable. The rain cover has transparent window to add to hassle-free operation. Additionally, the main compartment comes with zip with practical pullers which can also be handled with gloves on for added convenience and quick operation. Not to forget, the front pocket with internal mesh pocket adds to the convenience. So, that's a wrap for Tucano Urbano's tank bag, the TC20, one of the most crucial accessories which requires luggage during your ride. Do visit our website www.risemoto.com to unshackle the power of Rise, the power of you, and of course, do visit our nearest dealership to check the bag out. Thank you.